I'm at the Conestoga field. The temperature is 29 degrees, very little wind. This is my second attempt at recording something. This is a Typhoon2 that we're going to fly. I'm now on wide angle lens, and let's see how it goes. Okay, the white airplane against the white sky. Let's see how we do. May not have time to focus as it goes by, I'm not sure. My previous flight, I wasn't wide angle enough. I missed the airplane most of the time. The camcorder is mounted on a hard hat, and I have to remember to turn my head and not just my eyes. Gonna try a loop here. A roll. Come back inverted. I was going to try a flat spin, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to take it up that high without somebody here to take a picture. Because my friend Alex told me that when the airplane gets pretty far away, you have to zoom in. I'm trying to remember to turn my head. I hope I'm catching the airplane. I have no idea if I am or not. Bring it in close. My Typhoon2 for an electric airplane. This is a fantastic plane to have. So it runs on batteries. If you don't have a dozen batteries, you're going to get one 10-minute charge of flying. I have 2 batteries for this airplane. They're LiPo batteries. I haven't charged them since September. They're doing very well. But I am slowing down some. I'm trying to keep it in front. Needs to be trimmed out a little bit. It wants to bank to the right, but I'm going to let that go. That could be a wheel dragging on the landing gear. It's a wire gear, and when you land on tall grass like this, it bends it out, and sometimes that one wheel will act like a rudder, whether we like it or not. I normally hand launch it if I've got long grass. We're slowing down some now. Okay, we'll bring it in for landing. This long grass, it'll probably nose over. We'll see. No, not too bad. And here we go. I turned off the transmitter and it started taxiing away all by itself. Oh well, you got to be 10% smarter than your equipment. Absolutely. Still sounds like there's plenty of jazz left in it, that battery. I turn the camera off, I may have to finish it off with another flight. Okay, that's it for today. We'll see what happens on the movie.